Welcome to the training on understanding package units in air conditioning. Are you ready to learn about package units? In this training, we will guide you through the functioning of a package unit in air conditioning, covering its components, operation, and advantages. Understand the components of a package unit. Learn the working principle of a package unit. Identify the advantages of using a package unit over a split AC system. Recognize the maintenance requirements for package units. Let's dive into the steps involved in a package unit's operation. Step 1. Air return. Warm air from the conditioned space returns to the package unit through return ducts. Step 2. Air filtration. The air passes through filters, removing dust and airborne particles. Step 3. Cooling process. The evaporator coil absorbs heat from the air, cooling it. Step 4. Refrigeration cycle. The compressor compresses the refrigerant, and the condenser coil rejects the heat to the outside atmosphere. Step 5. Supply air. The cooled air is delivered back to the building through supply ducts. Let's explore some practical applications. Installation of package units in commercial buildings. Using package units in residential settings for efficient cooling. Comparing energy efficiency between package units and split systems. A technician installs a package unit in a warehouse to optimize air conditioning. Homeowners prefer package units for simplicity and efficiency in smaller spaces. To recap, a package unit is a self-contained air conditioning system. It simplifies installation and maintenance compared to split systems. Understanding the refrigeration cycle is essential for effective operation. Now it's your turn. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on HVAC systems. We hope this guide helps you understand package units and enhances your HVAC knowledge.